All right, guys, this is lesson 5.1, task 5. That's the last task in this section. And this time we're actually just going to look at choosing the correct functions based on the graphs. So it says identify transformations. Compare the graphs in each coordinate plane. The original function f is graphed in blue. The red graph of g is the result of a transformation of the original function. Match each equation relating g to f with the corresponding graphs. All right, so it says choose the correct function for the graph. So you can see the original function is blue. It's been reflected upside down. So what does that do? So the function of red is the graph of g of x. And then you can see too, like it has also been changed a little bit with the width of it, because this is actually 1, 1, and this is 1, negative 2. So that's why it's got the 2 there, because this is actually stretched as well. All right, so number B, choose the correct function for the graph. All right, you can see it gets wider, so that means it's going to be multiplied by 1/2. So that is a vertical compression. All right, the next one, choose the correct function. All right, this one is shifted horizontally. So this is on your domain, and it's going to be opposite the sign. So this one's going to be, you think it's going to be +2, but it's actually opposite the sign when it's on the domain. So it's -2. And that's because it shifts it right. All right, choose the correct function for the graph. This one just shifts it up. So this one should be +2. All right, and the more of these you do and practice, the easier they will get. All right, again, remember the blue one is the original one, and then the red one is the shift. So it has been shifted vertically. This one would be horizontally. This one is vertically. It's been shifted down too. All right, choose the correct function for the graph. The function for the red graph of g of x is, it's not been reflected, so it's just multiplied by 2. All right, this one has been reflected, so this one will be negative. And you can see that this is 2, -2, and this is at 2, 4. So it's not just been reflected, but it's also multiplied by a factor of 1/2. All right, the last one, this one takes the blue one and it shifts to the left. So that means it's going to be a +2 on the domain. So +2. Remember, if you did this, +2 moves it up 2. This one moves it left 2. All right, so that's how you identify transformations on their graph. If you have any questions, please let me know.